Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And quite often, I get asked the question, "What's a good book to get started in, like shortwave listening or scanner listening or whatever?" And I've done several shows on books that I consider good books for starters, or even people that have been in shortwave listening many years ago and are getting back to it to want to know, what's the latest information. Well, one source of information is on Amazon called Kindle eBooks. And there is an area, and I'm going to show it to you in a few seconds, where you can borrow ebooks. Now, these are ebooks only. They're not hardbound paperback books. They're ebook, electronic books. So if you come down here to departments and you come down to Kindle e-reader and books, that's where you want to go. And then if you come down here, there's this Kindle Unlimited. And what that is, it's a service on Amazon that you sign up for, and you can get a 30-day free trial. And once you've signed up for it, you can check out, just like you went to the library, you can check out up to 10 ebooks at a time. If you want the 11th one, you have to check one back in. And this is normally $9.95 a month. And you can check out as many books as you want to, but only 10 at a time. And I've done several reviews of books on my channel using this service. And I'll show you my setup. Let's close this down. And here you can either read those books on a tablet. You can get a Kindle Reader app to put on your tablet, or you can write it on your PC. Here it is right here. I'll open it up. And here are the books that I presently have in my overall library. Some of these are paid for, some of them are borrowed. Like, for instance, this one here, the Ham Shack Raspberry Pi book. I borrowed that. I'm borrowing it right now. I got all 10 of my books borrowed, so if I want an 11th one, I have to give one back, which is always a struggle because these are good books. And what you can do is you can go ahead and buy that book, and then that frees up one of your 10 slots so you can get another book. Or you can just return a book and it disappears from your library, and then you can get a new book. So for instance, here's a book, and I've reviewed this one before. This is, let me go to the beginning. Go to the beginning. Oh, let's go to the cover. So here it is, How to Listen to the World. And notice it's showing Sangean radio. And this has been out for quite a while. And it's a good book for starters in shortwave listening. Lots of background information, useful information. I did a review of this. Go back through my videos and see my review of this, or many of these other ones I've reviewed. For instance, I reviewed this one. This is a brand new version of the International Broadcast Guide, Summer of 2018 by Gail Van Horn. And you can see the other ones. And it's not just radio related ones, like here's one on a Raspberry Pi. Here's one, let's see, what else do I have down? Here's one on hydrogen peroxide. I bought that one. And here's Ham Radio for Dummies. It's not all the books in the ebook library on Amazon. It's a portion, maybe up to 50% of the books are in this category of unlimited use books. Now let's go back to Amazon. So you can sign up for this service. You get a 30-day free trial, and then after that it's $9.95 a month, and you can quit at any time. So you could, which was my original intention, I was going to keep it for a couple of months, look at all the books that I could possibly look at, stop, and then wait 6 months till a bunch of new books got in, started again. But this was 2 years ago. I've been in it solidly for 2 years because I keep finding new books to read. So if you go down to if you go to advanced search, see, I'm not logged in right now, so that's why it's showing this Kindle Unlimited trial period. So I go to advanced search, and then I could select Kindle Newsstand. Is that what I want to select? No, I probably don't. I want to select ebooks. And I thought I could select just Kindle Unlimited. But I don't think I can from here. Now, once you've signed up for this service, then you can just have it show the books that are free to rent or check out. So let's just do a keyword search of Shortwave. This will give you an example of what is in the library. Now, this is going to show me both books that are free and books that you have to pay for. So this book is free if you're in the Kindle Unlimited service, or it's $7.99 if you want to buy it. And so you look for this free, and I'm going to, yeah, here it is, Kindle Unlimited eligible. So I click on that, and now it's only going to show me books that are free if I sign up for that service. But here's the one I just showed you. I've reviewed most of these. This is a very good book here to get it started into SDRs. And there's quite a few books. There's new books added every day, for that matter. And they're on all kinds of subjects. It doesn't have to be just Shortwave. Like if I go back up here, and let me see, where can I change? Oh, so I'm going to go back here. I'm going to search on, whoops, wrong key. I'm going to search on something different. Gardening, G-A-R-D-E-N-I-N-G, gardening, which is I'm interested in. So now again, I have to click Kindle Unlimited, and these are all the gardening books, which there are a ton, and that's why I haven't ever canceled my subscription, because I keep finding new books. And it says there's 400 pages of books on gardening in this library, specifically in the Kindle Unlimited library. So I suggest you do that. There's two things I suggest you do. For the people who are asking me for a good book for getting started into Shortwave listing or scanner listing, go back to my old shows where I've reviewed some of these books. Let me go back here. I've reviewed most of these books here. So go back and you could pick out a book here. Like I said, this is a good one. And you can go back and search through my videos and find my review of that book. So I just wanted you to know about that, and I wanted to answer the question from several of my subscribers that have recently asked me that question about getting into Shortwave listing. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.